I'm out here in Arcata in front of the new business called Williams Automotive Repair, which is what you see there. This former gas station has been sitting vacant for quite a while. And as of recently, I want to say a couple weeks, they installed an automotive repair business here, which is really good to see. A new business in Arcata. A good use of the old gas station. And another great option for Arcata, if you're looking to get automotive repair. But what brings me out here tonight is that beautiful sight you see over there. Let's get a closer look. Well, before we go have a look at those lights I just showed you, I want to show you these ones here first. I've always loved the flickering lights. All right. Well, there we can kind of see more of the detail here. Anyways, that's a little bit better. But pretty much every major holiday for the last couple years, this house here has gone all out to try to spread a little bit of holiday spirit. So thank you. I'm going to call you the Holiday House of Arcata. There's a better picture. It can't be cheap having the power to keep this lit all night. So we appreciate the effort. And the rain is starting to come down as I film this video. So I'm going to keep it short and just show you the basics here. Just all the little finite details. The flickering icicles. All the little ornaments. Hold on 1 second, guys. There, got a little bit of rain on the camera there, so that's it. I just wanted to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving, and that whatever you're doing or whoever you're doing it with, that it's a special time that you'll remember years from now. And that's it.